Nami action figure toy review. It has markings. The size of this figure is 8 inch. It is not articulated, it's like a figurine. The material of this figure is rubber and it is heavy. I buy it from a thrift store. Like, share, follow, subscribe for more videos.